Hello student, the question says a stone is thrown vertically upwards from the top of a tower with a velocity u and it reaches the ground with a velocity 3u. The height of the tower is. So let us try to solve this problem. So we have a tower and we don't know the height of the tower, but it is given that a stone is thrown upwards with a speed u. So we have thrown the stone upward with speed u. So what would happen? The stone would initially go up. After reaching maximum height, then it will fall down. So it will initially first go up, then it will fall down. So he has given it is thrown up with speed u, and finally, when it hits the ground, it hits with a speed of 3u. So this is the speed with which it is hitting the ground. Let us assume h is the height of the tower which we need to find. We will use the concept of kinematics to solve the problem. We know initial velocity is plus u because it is pointing upward. Gravity will always pull it downward, so acceleration is minus g because gravity will always try to pull the stone downwards. Final velocity on reaching the ground, it is pointing downward, so minus 3u. Whatever is pointing downward, we take negative. Gravity is downwards, so negative. V is negative. Initial velocity is positive. Now displacement, this is interesting because if you can identify the direction of displacement, it would be better. It went up and it went down. We know displacement is measured from the initial position. So from initial position to final position, we can clearly see the body went downwards. So displacement is downwards. How do you show that it is downward? With a negative symbol. Displacement is downwards and its value is h, because displacement only depends on initial point and final point. So displacement is minus h. Let us identify which formula has all these. V square minus u square equals to 2as. So minus 3u whole square minus u square equals to 2 into minus g into minus h. So if we do it, 9u square minus u square equals to 2g into h. So h would become 8u square by 2g. 8u square by 2g is 4u square by g. So the correct answer for this would be 4u square by g, which would be my option 2. Hope you understood how I have solved.